Hey guys, Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am excited to bring you another tutorial, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can create free exit intent pop-up on your WordPress website. Let's get started. Let's come to the back end of this website, and we'll be using the help of a free plugin to get this done. So we can come to plugins, we can come to add new, and we'll search for a plugin called Hustle. So let's install and activate this plugin. Immediately after activating this plugin, if you come down to the far left here below, you see an option here for Hustle. So when you hover around this Hustle, you will see that you have quite a number of things, from pop-ups to sliding to embeds to social sharing, and also you can integrate this to a lot of email marketing software out there, like MailChimp, like ConvertKit, like a good number of them. So regardless of what you're using, even Mautic as well, you can integrate this with, so that once you collect these leads, they integrate with your email marketing system. So that's quite fantastic. And also it has a pro version. It is a freemium plugin that has a pro version. You can do well to check. So whatever we are doing in this tutorial about this plugin will be limited to the free. So now let's just come to the first one here, which are pop-ups, and let's see how we can create this exit intent pop-up. So what we will do right now is to hit the create button. We have the option to import as well, in case we are using this plugin maybe on another website before. We can literally copy and paste or import our pop-ups. So now let's just call this exit intent. Your exit intent might be informational. Just want to tell somebody that, okay, you have this going, but most likely, or your exit intent might just be a coupon code for people to check out whatever it is that you want to do. But for the purpose of this example, I'll leave this as email opt-in. So now let's choose a template. So this plugin has pre-made templates that we can choose from. Also, you can choose to start from scratch. I really won't advise you to do that. I will advise you that you pick a template here and customize it to suit your style. So we can just scroll down and down and down to find an amazing pop-up that we want to use. Maybe we should just try to use this. You can click this button here to have a preview of what this pop-up would look like. So this is exactly what this look like as well. So let's close this and let's choose this template. So the title here of this pop-up says COVID-19 update. So I want to change that. I can just say something like, here is your last chance. Something that will just captivate someone. So you can put a subtitle here if you want. Also for the image, we have a COVID-19 image here. We might just want to change this and then upload another image to replace that. So let me look if I can find any random image. Let's check. I can just pick this. Let's try to experiment. So now we can just change this main content to as well. Alright, so I say grab this amazing Bluetooth speaker for 50% off in our ongoing Black Friday special offer. Give us your email and we'll send a coupon code to you. So that's just random. You can get creative with the amazing offer. But the beauty about an exit intent is that you are able to provide them an amazing offer, and also you make it time bound. That's very, very important. So for our title here, we say, here is your last chance. We can just for our subtitle, we can say this offer would be gone in the next 24 hours. So something to just make them have this sense of urgency to give you your email or whatever you want to do. So right now, let's just even preview what we have here by clicking this to see if we are making sense with this. All right. This button here says get update. We want to change this. So instead of here's your last chance, I may just want to change this to get 50% off. Whatever it is, just something more captivating, really. So now let's close this as well. So I can just say that should be more captivating. And for our image, let's see if I can get another image. I think I'll just go more with this image here, and then I'll use this. Okay, so That's it. And we need to come down here to emails. So we are collecting emails alone. So let's say that you want to collect both name and email in your field. So we can just insert another field here and just put name and then insert this. So let's drag this above and then let's click this to customize this. And then let's come to settings here. Let's make this required. So that's it. So name, email look more like what we want to take. All right. So also you have other settings here like submission settings. Once they give you the email, what do you want? Submission behavior, success messages, thank you for subscribing, or whatever. You can redirect them to a page if you want. So that's a send an automated emails to the user. So that may work in case you want to send a coupon code. So you can just do this and just send the email here. Here is your coupon code, and you can put the coupon code there so that immediately they give you the email, you send the coupon code automatically to them. So that's fantastic. All right, so let's close this. So that's it for our field and what we can still do with this plugin. So for integrations here, we can integrate the forms to, like I told you earlier, with third-party email management system. So if we come down to connected apps and click on integration, let's just open this in a new tab so that we see all the apps that we can integrate this with. We can integrate this with Zapier, with Active, Campaign, Aweber, Campaign Monitor. So you can see them quite a number here. And I think this is very, very fantastic. So I wouldn't be doing that in this tutorial. You can check further tutorials. I would show you how you can integrate this with MailChimp. MailChimp is free for you to start. So you have access to use MailChimp to send 1,000 emails monthly for free. And I think that's quite fantastic to start with. So in case you're using any third-party application and you want me to do a tutorial on that, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll look out for that. So also for appearance, you can customize your layout. You can also for a featured image now. For the width, we can change, we can make it custom, which is 44 here. So for fitting position, we can make this contain, fit, or cover, whatever we want to do. But I think for what we have there, initial image not fitting, we can make this fit. So this will just fit into this space, or we can make this cover or contain. You can experiment with them to see exactly how all of this work. Let's change this to fit. For our opt-in form as well, you will notice that this is vertical. We can make it horizontal. Let's preview this to see exactly what we have. So you can see that this is fitting in, and so you can see this is vertical. So we can also make this horizontal such that the name will be above and also the email will be below. So you can see this is saying enter your, we should change this to just email. So let's close this. Let's change this from vertical to horizontal. So that's it. For our close icon, we can change that again too as well, but I'm going to leave that as is. For our font family, I can just change this to whatever font you want to use. I like to use Popups. And then I can hit the apply button. So that's it. You can still play around with colors and whatever you want to do on your website, but for the purpose of this example, I will leave the remaining settings as is. So now the next thing is to come to our visibility now. So this is where we set the rules to when this form should be visible. So where do you want to show this form? So you can say, let's show this to all, and then we now have the condition. It can be all of our pages. It can be all of our posts. It can be all of our categories. It can just be maybe literally on one page. So you can say hide it on all, or show it on just the home page, whatever you want to do. But for the purpose of this example, I will just leave this as on our pages. So you show this and then you had this condition. So you can add as much conditions for visibility as much as you want. Now in that case, you can just say hide this on all, and then you can then select the page. So on all pages, you want to hide this except for this. So you can start typing the name of the page that you want this to show on, whether it is on the home page or on the contact or the about page, or whatever the case is in your whatever the case is for you. but for the purpose of this example, I will show this on all of the pages. So that's it for our visibility rule. You can play around with this to see what exactly works for you. And finally, for our behavior, so this is where we need to now select what should trigger this pop-up. By default here, it would just pop in 3 seconds just by time. We're going to deactivate this because that's not exactly what we want to do. We want to trigger this on an exit intent, and we want it done immediately. So that's exactly what we want to do. For animation here, we may want this to maybe bouncing left, fading up, maybe slide in up, and then for exit, let's say slide out down, something like that. So that's it. A lot of other things here you can do. You can watch my comprehensive tutorials to see all of this. I don't want to waste so much of our time. But before we publish this, let's preview this to finally see what this is. So you can see, that this image here is not aligning properly, and I think I don't like this. So you can see name, enter your email. So this one here, I may want to change this placeholder. I remember I said that earlier. So now first, let's come to our emails, and then let's come to our email here. So I will just remove this placeholder. So whatever they will see there is just this label that is email. So I'll hit the apply button. And the next thing is, let's come to appearance. I think somewhere here is where we should see, okay, for our image, this is fit. So we can just say cover. Let's see what this would look like right now. So let's preview, and then let's do this. So you see, it's still not showing well enough for me. So I think I'll close this. Let's change this from cover. Let's just make this contain the way it was. And then let's preview now. And let's do this. So this, we can leave this as is, but you get the idea. You can look for an image where that can communicate more, that can pop. So I'll close this. So that's it for our exit intent. So we can come up here and hit the publish button, and then you can see ready to go. Pop-up is ready. So now let's come to our website now. Let's refresh this. So now let's test this to see if this would work. Let me just move my mouse cursor above, and let me try to see as though I want to. So you can see that our pop-up is here, and then I can put my email, my name, email, and then I can, even for this get update, I should change this to get offer, or somewhere there's a place to customize that. So before I end this, let me look for where that is. So let's come here and let's, okay, get update. I can change this to get offer now, something like that. So I hit apply button. So that's it. So I update this. Let's come back here. Let's refresh this. All right, so now let's try this again, and let's see. Let me move my mouse above, and let's see this. So you can see that's it. Get offer now. So this is how super simple it is for you to create an exit intent pop-up on your WordPress website, literally for free. So if you find this video quite amazing, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section. And that's my time for this tutorial. I will see you in another one, and until then, have a nice time. Bye for now.